Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me these items. Now, let me just check. Is that the one? There's one that I want to show last. It's that one. I'm actually really excited about that one. It's something I have not seen before. And yeah, I'm hoping you guys like it. But we're going to start with my number one. And this is, there's been quite a lot of these that have shown up recently and I keep falling in love with different ones. They are paintings that very much look like a Quilled image. An item made out of paper, sort of formed into little circles. I will pop the link in the description so that you can click on it and see the image easier. But many of them are nice, bright, funky colours, and I think that's what's grabbing me. I do love a nice, bright diamond painting to work on sometimes. This one is actually a full drill. Some of them I've had are partial, some of them are full. This one is a full drill. It has 20 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. It also comes with a toolkit with 3 baggies by the looks of it, along with your boat wax and pen. And the actual size of this one, or the diamond painting area of this one, is 24 centimetres by 24 centimetres. But just due to the way the background is that also peaks around the diamonds, it can have that look of looking like it's been done in paper when it's actually not. It's been done in diamond. So there is a lot of 3865 because of the background, as you can imagine. So there are 2 bags of that. But then, oh, in fact there's 3 bags because there's one tagged on the end here. There's the 3rd. But look at these colours. Look how vibrant and full these colours really are. Lime greens and reds, oranges and yellows, purples, blues. Yeah, just full of colour and such fun to sort of do and work on as you go along. And of course I've not folded this in the way that they folded it at all. Isn't that my usual way? Hey, if they fit, I'm going with it. I don't know if they have a plan in the factory of how to fold these. I should learn. But yeah, I keep getting drawn to them. And I think it's because of their fun, vibrant colours and the way they look like an image that's not a diamond painting when it is a diamond painting. So that was my number one choice. Well, one of my choices, rather than it rated number one. This is another one. So this is a square. So this is actually a 30 by 40 square painting. And this one is a little bit more subdued, so it's sort of opposite a bit, isn't it really, to the other one. But I just thought it was gorgeous. So we've got a book and a butterfly. It does have 23 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. But yeah, I mean the canvas is really clear to see. Try and make sure my lighting is showing it off properly. But we just have a book with a pile of books and a bird on the top. Flowers scattered throughout. Oh, the diamonds come in bags. That makes it easier for me to show you and I don't have to wrestle them back in. But we have the more subdued pastel colours. We have a hitchhiker, the beiges and the creams. But the image that comes out of it at the end is just stunning. Do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. But yeah, some really, really nice colours in there. And it's amazing how they create this. And then this is the one that I kind of got excited about. My battery on my camera is flashing. I'm hoping it will let me get to the end of this without cutting me off. But as you can see, this is rather different. And you may think, is that a paint by numbers? Maybe. Is it a diamond painting? Maybe. They have a selection of paintings that are both. They are both paint by numbers and diamond painting. How amazing is that? Every time I think they've come up with something, you know, they've come up with pretty much all they can come up with, they come up with something completely different. So the idea of this is that you diamond paint the woman and you paint the background in yourself. So it's a partial, but it's also, you've got to complete it all. And then you get that effect at the end, but of course the woman will, and of course it died on me. My battery is the opposite of a car. So a car may go to 0 to 60 in X number of seconds. My camera goes from 60 to 0 in 2 seconds. Doesn't give me much warning. But yeah, I just thought this concept was just something, you know, combining crafts. I mean, even like the quilled ones that are sort of drawing me, that you aren't actually quilling, but the fact that it looks like it is. But this is taking it to a whole new level. So you do get a toolkit for your diamonds, and that's your diamond painting section. But then you do get 2 paintbrushes and your paints for your painting section. So it is up to you which way round that you want to do it. I don't know if there's necessarily a good way or a bad way to do it. Diamond painting / paint by numbers wise. Because, you know, while this of course doesn't have glue on it, this section does. So you may be exposing your glue while you paint the background. I think I would possibly do the diamond painting first, just so I'm not messing with this cover. Or maybe I'd do half of it and then decide to do the painting and then do the other. I don't know. I'd have to think about it, which way round I want to do it. But they are the colours that make up your background. And then quite similar colours that make up the lady in the diamond painting. And you end up with an image that you have completed yourself, but you've not put just diamonds on the whole of it. And there is a section on the website. There's not a huge choice of these paintings yet, though I'm sure there will be as time goes on. So that is white, and then that is more of the off-white, 3866 I think. Yeah, it is. So it's more of that beigey type colour. But yeah, the concept just got me excited as, yeah, just something really, really different that you can do paint by numbers and diamond painting. And if it's something that you enjoy, both of those hobbies, and they are both things that you do, well, now combine them. So these are the paintings today from FGNormal. Got rather excited over that one because it's different. A little bit different here. So we've got a full round that looks like quilling. We've got a square, and then we have a mixture of paint by numbers and diamonds, just for something that little bit different and that little bit special. But I'll pop links to all of them down below so that you can check them out for yourselves. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.